Hello everyone. In the previous video, I have explained you how to convert hexadecimal to decimal. Today's video, I will explain how to perform decimal to hexadecimal conversion. And before doing the hexadecimal to decimal conversion, I have written how to represent decimal numbers and hexadecimal numbers. Okay, so today I will start decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Okay, decimal to hexadecimal conversion. As I have already told you, in a decimal number system, the base is 10. In hexadecimal number system, the base is 16. Okay, simple example I will give you. See, say 16 is in decimal. 16 is in decimal. So how can we write that one in hexadecimal? Now what you have to do is, in order to convert decimal to hexadecimal, you have to divide it by 16. Okay, so if I divide 16, 16 ones are 16, remainder is 0. Therefore you have to consider like this: 16 ones are 16, remainder is 0. Therefore you have to write 1 0. Therefore it is equal to, it is equal to, therefore it is equal to 1 0 in hexadecimal. 16 in decimal is equivalent to 1 0 in hexadecimal. I will consider another example. Say 2, sorry, 2146 2146 in decimal is equal to how much in hexadecimal? Okay, so we have to divide it by 16. So 2146, if I divide it by 16, okay, 134 times it is possible, remainder is 2. Again, if you divide it by 16, 8 times it is possible, remainder is 6. Therefore you have to consider like this. So I can write 2146 in decimal is equal to 862 in hexadecimal. 862 in hexadecimal. I'll consider another example. 843 in decimal is equal to how much in hexadecimal? Okay, so I'll consider 843. If you divide it by 16, so 52 times it goes, remainder is 11. So this is equivalent to B. Again 16 3 times, remainder is 4. Okay, so you have to start from like this to this. Therefore I can write 843 in decimal is equal to 34B in hexadecimal. I'll consider another example which is having fractions. Okay, I'll write the example: 2604.10 546875 in decimal is equal to how much in hexadecimal? Okay, so first I'll consider 2604. Okay, if you divide it by 16, 162 times it goes, remainder is 12. 12 can be written as a C, then again 16, so 10 times it goes, remainder is 2. 10 can be written as A, therefore you have to do like this, therefore 2604 in decimal is equal to A to C, A to C in hexadecimal. Next I will do the fraction point. So before the fraction point I have divided. Before the fraction point I have divided. After the fraction point you have to multiply. After the fraction point you have to multiply. Therefore after the fraction point what we have? 0.10546875. Okay, you have to multiply. You have to multiply by 16. Okay, if I multiply by 16, it is equal to 1.6875. You multiply and see. Okay. So here, now see here, before the fraction point what you have, that you have to write down here. Before the fraction point what you have to write down here. So next you have to consider after the fraction point what you have, that you have to write here. 0.6875 multiply by 16. Okay, you will have 11.00. You will get 11.00. So before the fraction point you have 11. Okay, 11 is equivalent to B in hexadecimal. Okay, so here further you have 00. You cannot multiply, so you have to stop here. And the answer you have to consider from top to bottom. Answer you have to consider from top to bottom. Therefore 0.10546875 in decimal is equal to, see, 1B in hexadecimal. Therefore if I write the entire thing, this entire thing together, I can write 2604.10546875 in decimal is equal to, now see, first I wrote 2604 as A to C. Okay, so I'll write here A to C, then for point, then 10546875 is 1B. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. Okay, and I think you will like this video. As soon as if you watch the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Thank you.